Search algorithm but for functions. Given a list of input, let's say they are just integers, and a list of functions, and these functions takes an integer, and returns either true or false. I have to take this list of input, and see if any function in the list would return true for any value in the list. Is there any way to do this faster than O(n)(? Right now what I have is any faster methods.
Without any further information on the functions, the results of the len function's len values possible function calls must be considered independent from each other, so there is no faster way than checking them all. You can write this a little more concisely, though. The built-in function any also short-circuits, just like your original code. Edit. It turns out that the desired equivalent would have been See the comments for a discussion.
No, there is no faster way. ONN is the limit. If you had more information about the functions, you might be able to beat that, but in the general case, no.
You can't do better than ONN by only querying them and without some simplifying assumptions on the functions at hand. That's because the proof that there isn't any such functions requires you to prove that, for any integer and any function, the result of the query is false. To prove it, you cannot do less than perform all the queries, because your state space is O2 to the power of nm, and a query just halves the state space. So you need O log _22 to the power of nm, equals ONM queries to reduce your state space to the solution every function returns false for every integer.
If you know more about the functions or the values, you can do what a regular search engine does, apply some sort of indexing over the values list that only requires a single pass. Edit. Here's an approach with any that works for this use case.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.